Okay, let's get to the first episode. Let's do it! Painting was really good. I think you did a great job. I'm just suggesting maybe make that leg a little bit longer. Maybe a more dynamic pose could be cool. The foreshortening on this arm, you did an incredibly good job. That's a tough thing to pull off. I would just make the hand a little bit bigger, maybe a more interesting shape. Hands are bigger than you think. This other arm of hers, that's a tough one. In fact, I would not even bother trying to put that hand up there. See this shape behind her chin? That's another tough area. Maybe try just simplifying it like that. Oh, check out Malcolm Lipke. This guy's amazing. Hey, this is great. I love all these straight lines you use. You're not afraid to use straights. It's amazing, so I think it looks good. This part is a little too symmetrical, so I just looked for a varied shape in her hair. And then, yeah, the hand, the size of the hand is probably right. It's correct, but your hand in relation to the rest of her forearm is not right. So, and I think what happened is you were forced to try to keep it on the page because of the bottom of the paper didn't go far enough. Anyway, that's an easy fix, no big deal. Under the chin is always a difficult area, so I just kind of simplified this to a shape like that, maybe. The eye is a little too close to the bridge of the nose. Even in your reference, if that's how it was, I'd still bring it back a little bit. There's a concept I'm trying to figure out myself. It's called bow of the ship. It's like what's closest to the viewer is always the hardest point. And I think what's closest in this is kind of the right side of her chest. So I'm sorry I'm out of time on this, but this was really good. Keep it up. It's awesome work. Way to go! Hey, nice job on this rose. I picked this to do a draw over because it really does show promise. What I'm doing here is just nuking all your areas of symmetry, just kind of throwing things, making them a little asymmetrical where you can. Stuff in nature is always kind of random. So that's kind of what I'm doing mostly, is just finding that randomness of nature, but yet trying to keep the beauty. So just be mindful of that silhouette. On anything organic like this is going to have a very interesting shape. So yeah, and these little thorns I thought would be growing upwards. But yeah, man, good job. Way to go. Let's keep it up.